I've got a green light on the field. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Here we are for qualification match number 26. 97-12 is up for one. It looks like we got one up for blue as well. Let's see if anyone can get a second one with 5 seconds left in autonomous. 1466 is ready to go for their beginning of tally up, and we're going to end auto 7-2 advantage red. But that bell means that we are ready for tally up as all 6 robots begin moving around this field. 9309 racing over to find a note. 1927 lined up but bouncing a little bit short. 1466, that's Web Robotics. They've got a note squished into their robot. Looks like they're getting in position to put it in the amp as Tempest goes up for 1 and 2. The second one bounces out though. 7255 Mechanical Metal looking to hunt down a note of their own as Tempest goes up for another. It is 10-8 advantage red. Very, very close match here. It is still anyone's game with 1:37 on the clock. Team 34, that's Rockets. They've got a note. They're racing on back to their speaker. They're lining up. Can they find a home for this note? They're amplified. If this goes in, it's worth 5 points. Looks like they're not going to quite make it, though, as 9309 and 1466 are both getting over back to their speakers. Webb is going into the amp. So is 7255 Mechanical Metal. Let's see if they can get that note in place to amplify yet again. It is now 20-11 advantage blue with a minute left in play. Team 34 is ready at the red source, trying to get a note up off the floor to bring it on back. Webb's up and amplified. Let's see if they can get a second note in time before time runs out of that amplification. They've decided to move on and go back to their source. With 41 seconds on the clock, Red has a 15-point deficit that they need to make up if they want to win this match. Webb up again for 2. Mechanical Metal, they've got a note. They're heading back to the amp. Can they get it lined up? It is up. It looks like to be wedged. Not quite in this time. But that means we've got 20 seconds left of play. 1466 getting ready to climb as human players toss those high notes onto the microphones. Red's got one spot lit. Can they get a second? Looks like it goes a bit wide. 1466 high up off the ground. Looks like 9712 might be up as well in 2, 1, time in the match. Year of Alliance 33-25.